Most truck accidents cause serious injuries because of the weight of the truck and the resulting force at impact. Nonetheless, truck accident cases frequently face several obstacles to successful resolution. Insurers often use their better and tougher adjusters in truck accidents, and those adjusters can take a hard line during settlement negotiations. Witnesses often sympathize with truck drivers. Trucking companies and drivers sometimes falsify or lose records that could help your case. You likely face several opponents, all of whom will be trying to pin some blame on you. Investigation must begin promptly in truck accident cases. You will be at a disadvantage if months have passed between the accident and you retaining an attorney. Potential areas of liability, which should be considered in every truck accident, are excessive speed, violation of safety regulations, defective equipment, visibility, inexperience, overloading, improper parking, unsafe turn. If you want help analyzing your truck accident, please fill out the case evaluation form on this website.